everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to Cooking with Junkyard. So today we are cooking trout almandine. As my last video that you saw, I did catch a trout. We ended up keeping that little thing. I was going to go ahead and throw it back, but my cameraman, i.e. woman, wanted to go ahead and keep it. Here, watch this. Alright, we got some here, guys. I'm going to guess it's a trout. It is. Go ahead and grab the net. Got a nice little, looks like a rainbow. Gonna go ahead and get the net out just to be on the safe side here. Yeah, it's a rainbow. Oh, that's a keeper too. Alright. Hey guys. We got a fish. Nice rainbow trout. It's a good pan size. They're going to throw them back though, unless you want them. You going to eat them?
I'm going to eat them.
Alright, somebody's going to eat them. So with that, I brought it home. Needless to say, she forgot it. So I'm going to eat it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and butterfly this open, cook it in olive oil and butter, and just make it beautiful. So let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
So here is our trout. Now I've already opened it up and cleaned it all out. You can see that beautiful pink meat in there, which is beautiful. What we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and cut down right on the bone here and go through these bones. We're going to take the backbone out. Let's go. We'll go down here a little bit of ways. Beautiful. Let's do the other side. We don't want to go too far. We don't want to go too deep into the skin. You're just messing with the backbone right there. All right, perfect. And then we're going to go under the bone here, the spine, and you want to take, what we want to do is take that spine out. So we're going to cut down here a little bit more. Ideally with trout almandine, you may want to go ahead and fillet the trout, but again, this was a smaller trout. And so with that, I figured we're just going to go ahead and butterfly this way. Okay, perfect. We go all the way down. Okay, so now I got some scissors here. We'll cut the scissors out. See how it comes out like that. All the way to the top. And there you go. The spine is out. So now you have all these little tiny bones here. Now I could cook with those bones. Those bones actually don't bother me. But some people don't care for them, so with these being such pin bones, they really just come right out. You could get your knife underneath them and then just pull those out. I don't want to lose too much of the meat, so I'm going very delicately on this. There we go. And up to the spine here. And again, like I said, if there's a few bones in there, they don't bother me. Alright, so that's one side. Let's do the other side. Pretty much that's it. Alright, so that's our butterfly trout right there. So we'll be able to cook that right there. We can take the head off, or we can leave the head on for presentation. I'm actually going to take the head off. There you go, fish heads. So we're going to take the head off there. Put some salt and pepper on this and put it in the fryer. Let's get over to the fryer. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're actually going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter. Got it on medium-high heat. Actually, we're closer to a medium, I should say. Got all of this smell of butter and olive oil together. Alright, now we're going to take the trout and we're going to put the skin down first. We're going to let that cook for about 3 minutes or so. And then we're going to flip that over. Alright, let that cook. Alrighty, so as you can see, all the side of it is all cooked. So what we're going to do now is flip it over. It's only been a few minutes too, so nice and brown on that side. We're going to let that cook for a few more minutes. Actually, probably not that long, maybe only about a minute and a half. Alright, let's take that off. That's done. So that's the part that's done. So the trout's done. So you can see right there, it is finished. So in this oil and the butter, we're going to put another stick, about a tablespoon of butter in there. And we're going to actually now add almonds. These are sliced almonds. You get these pre-sliced in the salad area, in the cooking, in the baking area, you'll find pre-sliced almonds. What we're going to do is let that saturate and absorb the butter. And again, the almonds do not take long. You're just absorbing the oils, the butter. You're just letting that heat up. All right, that's done. Let's plate this up. All right, so here is our trout. Made myself a little bit of greens on the side. I'm going to take the almonds and literally just put them right on top. Oh, you can still hear it sizzling when the almonds hit the trout. I also have myself some corn here. Make a nice little plate for myself here. Perfect. All right. I'm going to take a piece of this off right here. Got the crispy part of the skin. We got the almonds. Can't skimp on the almonds. Let's see how it tastes. You know, the trout is incredible. I love trout. Trout is a more savory fish, I guess typical to salmon, and I love salmon as well. The trout that we have here, the mountain trout is more of a stocked trout, and I believe they're raised here in Arizona. I'm not sure, I probably should do a little bit more research before I say anything, but nonetheless, the trout is incredible. We also have a little bit of lemon. Let's put a little bit of lemon on that. Adds a little bit more savory flavor to it. I don't know what it is about the almonds and the trout combined. It's just such a perfect marriage of flavors. Hopefully you give this one a try. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching. Needless to say, keep cooking.